Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can make money from Whop. Whop is a company or a platform that is based in the United States. I don't know how long it has been existing, but it has definitely been paying people. As you can see here, it says hobby letters and $250 from this submission. You can see also it says gym and $43.66 from this submission. You understand? These are people who are earning money from clipping content from other creators. Now I'm going to quickly explain how this platform works. But before I go into that, I will just show you how to set up your payment method. So this platform works strictly with Stripe. They don't work with any other platform. They don't partner with any other payment platform. They only partner with Stripe. So it is through Stripe that they pay. And Stripe is not available for Nigerians. So all you need to do is go on YouTube and search for how to create a Stripe account in Nigeria. I know there are so many YouTube content creators that have created this video. Or I'm also going to think of creating this video for you. But even if you don't have the time to watch and create a Stripe account, you can reach out to any of your friend or your relative that you have that is based in Canada, US, UK, or anywhere that you know that Stripe is available. Any country that you know that Stripe is available, you can reach out to your friends or your loved ones there and tell them to create a Stripe account for you, or to just give you their email. So the only thing you need is the email address to set up your payment method from your Stripe payment method on this platform. The only thing you need is their Stripe email address. So using my laptop here to show you how to set up your payment method is just the same thing as using your phone. It's the same process. So click on your profile icon, and when you look down, you see balance. Just click on balance. Then as you can see, it says set up your payment account to get paid fast. So click set up Whop payments, whatever. Then you select your country here. Then you just look for Nigeria and then click on next. Now when you click on next, it will lead you to the Stripe dashboard where you can now set up your Stripe. So like I said earlier, you reach out to anyone that can help you create a Stripe account. You can also reach out to me. I have someone who can help you create a Stripe account, and then all you need to do is get your email address and you put it here. So once you put in your email address, you click on submit, and that is exactly how to set up your payment method on Whop. See what it says? It says Whop partners with Stripe for secure financial services. So once they've created the account, they can send you their email address and you set up your payment method and you start clipping content and making money. So let me quickly show you guys how this platform works. First of all, I went to ChatGPT and I asked, how does content clipping work on Whop? And it says content clipping refers to the process of creating short form video content by repurposing existing material from creators such as podcasts, YouTube videos, or courses. It said through the Whop clip program, creators are compensated based on the number of views their clips generate when they post on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Now, how content clipping works on Whop? Join Whop Clip. So once you sign up on the platform for free, you join clips, right? You join several clips. This grant access to a community training resources, and then you will be able to access materials that you can post, like audios and content. Then you create or repurpose content. You can create a TikTok account on any topic at all, and make sure that you are creating content for your TikTok account. Then once you submit your clips, all you just need to do by submitting it, you are uploading your created clips through the bounty section in your Whop dashboard, and you ensure you include the necessary details that they required, and then you can earn $1 to $2, and it can go as high as $10 per 1,000 views depending on the content type. So first things first, all you have to do is go to your app store or your Google Play Store and download the app. I've already downloaded mine. It's just telling me to upgrade. So after upgrading, you open the app. All you just need to do, when you look up, you see home, chat, and click on N. Once you click on N, you will see a list of all the open projects. Okay, so the only thing you need to do is click on any of the projects you feel that is still ongoing. Once you click on it, you see what it says here. It says use this audio and get paid. You see it's listed several audios that you can use to get paid, so click on anyone. Now just swipe up. You see what it says here. See the requirements. Must use official audio. Any creative is acceptable, meaning pictures or videos. You can use visual hooks to retain your viewers. Now if you look down, you see under assets, you see TikTok. Before then, you see the platform that is recommended is TikTok platform that is recommended. So once you click on that assets, it will lead you to TikTok. directly to TikTok and it will show you the audio. So you know how to use audio on TikTok. A lot of people use several audios for different kind of content, but they do not know that they can actually use audio content from here to make money. You can see people that have already used the same audio. This particular person, Drama TZ, has used this their audio, and on that particular content they already have 146.8k views, meaning they had made $146 from using the audio for this content. So that is just how it works. So once you use the audio, you submit the content for payment. You see, look down and see where it says submit. This platform is somewhat like the social earning, the Nigeria Gain, or daily platforms that we have in Nigeria, where you perform simple social media tasks and get paid. Just like this one says, like, comment, and share, and earn $3. You can see earn $1 per second. Like, there are so many things you can be doing on this platform to make money. So all you just need to do to get started is to download the app and go through it and understand exactly what the app does and how you can cash out for it. All right, guys, thank you all for watching to this point, and this is where I say goodbye, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.